I got you.
Oh, I didn't even record it.
I got you. Did you record it?
No. It's windy up there.
Was it?
That's a workout.
Yeah.
It's pretty tired. Yeah. It's hard on your calves. Oh.
Watch out. How's it going down?
Fun. This is where we're staying tonight. Pretty badass spot. I'm about to eat some watermelon. Enjoy this sunset.
Hi, baby. Can you even see me?
Yeah, a little bit.
Where's the lantern? Ow!
Ow. I just kneed on her bad foot. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
So we're camped right up there. I don't know if you can see the truck in the sunlight. But to get to some clams that I found last night, you gotta come all the way down here, jump across this little crevasse or little, whatever you want to call it. And then they're right down there. There's a shitload of them. I got my baggie. Okay, I gotta watch the ocean for a bit because I may not be able to go down there right now. Ah, dang it. Nah, I can't go down there. That whole place is getting flooded and washed out. That sucks. Where we're staying tonight, down there is Thor's Well and Spouting Horns over there.
Hi, baby.
Hi, Christine. Let's go say hi.
Hi.
Buddy's right here.